Hey everyone, welcome back to Financial Knowledge. Today we're diving into the world of couponing. Whether you're looking to save a few bucks on your grocery bill or want to become a couponing pro, I've got you covered. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Segment 1. What is couponing? First things first, let's talk about what couponing actually is. Couponing is the practice of collecting and using coupons to save money on your purchases. Coupons can be found in newspapers, magazines, online, or through apps. They offer discounts on specific products or even entire purchases. There are two main types of coupons: manufacturer coupons and store coupons. Manufacturer coupons are provided by the product's brand and can be used at any store that accepts them. Store coupons, on the other hand, are specific to a particular retailer. Segment 2. Where to find coupons. Now, where can you find these magical money savers? Here are a few places to start. 1. Newspapers and magazines. Look for coupon inserts in your local Sunday newspaper. These inserts often have a variety of coupons for everyday products. 2. Online coupon websites. Sites like coupons.com, RetailMeNot, and SmartSource are great for finding digital coupons. 3. Store websites and apps. Many stores offer their own coupons through their websites or apps. Make sure to check out apps like Target Circle, Kroger's app, and others. 4. Couponing apps. Apps like Ibotta, Rakuten, and Honey can help you find coupons and cashback offers. Segment 3. Organizing your coupons. Once you've gathered your coupons, it's important to keep them organized. You don't want to be that person holding up the line at the store. 1. Physical coupons. Consider getting a coupon binder or a simple accordion folder. Sort them by category or expiration date. 2. Digital coupons. Create a folder on your phone or computer to keep track of digital coupons and offers. Use note-taking apps or specialized couponing apps to organize them. Segment 4. How to use coupons effectively. Now let's talk strategy. Using coupons effectively can save you a lot of money, but it requires a bit of planning. 1. Stacking coupons. Stacking means using multiple coupons on a single item. You can usually stack a manufacturer coupon with a store coupon for extra savings. 2. Matching coupons with sales. Check store flyers for weekly sales and match them with your coupons. This can lead to huge discounts. 3. Stockpiling. When you find a great deal, consider buying in bulk. This is especially useful for non-perishable items. 4. Timing. Use coupons strategically. Some stores have double coupon days, where they double the value of your coupons. Segment 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, let's go over some common mistakes to avoid. 1. Expired coupons. Always check the expiration date. An expired coupon is just a piece of paper. 2. Ignoring fine print. Read the fine print carefully. Some coupons have restrictions on product sizes or quantities. 3. Overbuying. Don't buy items you don't need just because you have a coupon. Stick to your budget and needs. 4. Not checking store policies. Different stores have different coupon policies. Make sure you're familiar with them to avoid surprises at checkout. And that's it. You've got the basics of couponing down. Remember, it takes practice to become a couponing pro, so don't get discouraged if you don't see huge savings right away. Every little bit counts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Financial Knowledge for more money-saving tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. And let us know in the comments below, what are your favorite couponing tips? Thanks for watching, and happy saving!